Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be giving you a quick video on how to cut and sew your shoulder cape or collar. You can still call it collar, neck collar, Peter Pan neck collar. I'll be showing you how to draft it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment on my videos. To cut the collar, make sure you join your shoulder first. Join your shoulder, then bring your neck together. Bring the front neckline and the back neckline together. Can you see what I have here? Make sure you bring two of them together. The back neckline together and the front neckline together. And the front, make sure that the shoulder, they are together. Now you're going to take your pattern paper or your fabric, fold it into two because you're going to have two collars. Fold it into two. Now place your fabric like this. Place it on top of the pattern paper. See what I'm doing. Make sure that it's matching. You're going to place it. Now you're going to mark out the neckline. Going to mark out the neckline. This is my zipper allowance, so I won't be needing it. I'm going to remove my zipper allowance because the collar is not going to extend to my zipper allowance. I'm removing 1 inch of my zipper allowance. This is my zipper allowance, so I'm starting the neck. I'm connecting the neck from here, the round neck. See what I have? This is the front neckline, and this is the back neckline. Make sure you connect it very well. I finished connecting it. This is the back neckline. Now you're going to take the length of the collar you want. The length of the collar, for me, I'm going to be taking 3 inches. So you're going to take it round, depending on what you want. Be taking it round. The length of the collar, that is what I'm taking now, depending on what you want. Now I'm going to connect it. After connecting, I'll connect this, the front neckline, I'll connect it, and the back neckline, I'll also connect it. Now I'm going to shape the front part. The front part, I want it to be covered, so I will shape it. Shape the front part out. Now I'm going to cut. So this is what I have for the front neck and for the back neck. This side is the front neck for the two color. Now I'm going to use this to cut on my fabric. Just take your fabric head. I'm going to cut it. Make sure you iron your fabric. There's no light. You would have ironed this. Now I'm going to cut for the front and the back. I'm doing it together. Going to cut. You can decide to use this same fabric to line it, or you can use another fabric to line it. For me, I'll use another fabric to line it. Now I'm using the fabric of the dress to line it. So now what you're going to do, you can decide to put interfacing on your own. You can decide to put interfacing. So what you're going to do, you take it to your machine. Take it to your machine, sew round, sew round, sew round, sew round. See what I'm doing? Sew round. We're going to sew round. Leave this opening for where you're going to turn it out. Let me do it and show you. I finished sewing the cape. I used the lace material to design this. So what you're going to do is to bring your material and you're going to stitch from the middle of your material. You're going to get the middle of your neckline. You're going to attach it. You're going to attach it round, leaving your zip allowance. You can either attach it from the back, attach it from the back, attach it from the back and flip over. But for me, because I'm going to use lining, I will attach it. I will attach it on the neck, attach this side on the neck, sew it round, use lining to turn. Because I want the dress to have lining, use lining to turn it over. After attaching the cape, this is what we have. Now, and after attaching the cape, this is what we have. After putting the cape, use your iron to press it very well. After attaching the collar, this is what we have. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.